All right, markets up marginally overnight. Continuous dovish tones coming out of the Fed. Watch around 10 o'clock Central this morning. That's when Bullard's going to speak. I mean, he's already a super dove, so anything that he says, I don't think will have nearly the teeth that Williams did yesterday. It would just be confirming what Williams did. But that's laying out there. Other than that, not a whole heck of a lot going on as far as numbers. We got consumer sentiment, that's the University of Michigan. Consumer sentiment, that is at 9 o'clock Central. And that is really it. Rosengren speaks after the close, but that's not going to do us any good. Got quite a few things on the list that I'm looking at. We'll just see what happens as we open up in about 10 seconds. So, our only positions now are VIX and MAR. So we are very much, our hands are not tied. There is your bell. And we are off and running. Hang on.